Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Metafields and use them on your Shopify website. Metafields are custom data that you can add to your products, collections, pages, and more. They allow you to store and display extra information that is not available by default. To create a Metafield, you need to go to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. Then click on Custom Data. Here you can see the different types of Metafields that you can create. For this example, I'm going to create a Metafield for products. So I click on Add Definition and give it a name. I'm going to call it a specification. The name and space key will be automatically generated based on the name. You can also add a description if you want, or leave it blank. Then you need to choose the type of Metafield. There are different types of Metafields, such as single-line text, decimal, file, product, etc. For this video, I'm going to choose rich text as the type of Metafield. This will allow me to add formatted text. After that, I click Save and my Metafield is created. Now that I have created a Metafield, I need to add it to my product page. To do that, I go back to my Shopify dashboard and click on Customize. This will take me to the theme editor where I can edit the layout and content of my website. I switch from the home page to the product page and look for the specification tab. This is where I want to display my Metafield. Right now, the specification tab is empty, so I need to add some content to it. One thing to note here is that if I add content directly to the raw content tab, it will apply to all products. See, it also applies same content on another product. This means that all products will have the same specification, which is not what I want. I want each product to have its own unique specification. To achieve that, I need to use the Metafield that I created earlier. To do that, I click on the icon next to the raw content and select the Metafield from the list. This will link the specification tab with the Metafield and display the content of the Metafield on the product page. However, right now there is no content in the Metafield, so nothing will show up. To add content to the Metafield, I need to go back to my Shopify dashboard and click on Products on the left side menu. Then I choose the product that I want to edit and scroll down until I see the Metafield section. Here I can see the specification Metafield that I created and add some content to it. After I finish editing, I click Save and my changes are saved. To show you how it works, I'm going to do the same thing for another product and give it a different specification. Now let's see how it looks on the website. As you can see, each product has its own specification based on the content of the Metafield. This is how you can use Metafields to add custom data and display it on your Shopify website. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.